We all know by now that ghazals is light classical music, Hindustani classical music, which is in Urdu primarily, and it is sung very slowly. So, if we think of ghazals, we remember many ghazal singers like Ghulam Ali ji, Bade Ghulam Ali Khan Saab, and many like Jagjit Singh, Pankaj Udas, Chitra Singh, Talat Mahmood, Begum Akhtar. So many singers which I have been constantly reminding every day in the ghazals that I introduced. So today, friends, the song that we have for you cannot be typically termed into the ghazal genre. It is surely a thumri. Thumri cannot be considered as purely a ghazal. However, this song is a blend. It is like a ghazal which was originally sung by Ustad Bade Ghulam Ali Khan. And it is classified into the Thumri genre. So we thought that since it has shades of the ghazal genre in this, कुछ हटके करते हैं. तो दोस्तों, जैसे कि हम जानते हैं कि गज़ल पे उर्दू का बड़ा ही इन्फ्लुएंस रहता है और उसकी जो पंक्तियाँ रहती है वो उर्दू और हिंदी में रहती है. वैसे ही ठुमरी की खासियत ये है कि उसकी भाषा अवधी या ब्रिज भाषा में रहती है. इट यूजेस द उत्तर प्रदेश डायलेक्ट. सो ऑल सॉन्ग्स बेस्ड इन ठुमरी are very sensuous, and like ghazals, Thumri is also mostly sung in slow form, and it is based on Hindustani classical music. आज जो गीत आपके सामने लेके आ रहे हैं वो है का करूँ सजनी आए ना बालम from the film Swami, released in the year 1977. Music by Rajesh Roshan and lyrics were by Amit Khanna. It is sung by the great legend Yesudas ji and picturized on Shabana Azmi. So let's hear it from a star singer advocate Vishwas Kashyap. He is also associated with Swarnika Uno Musica from many months and has been singing many beautiful songs which you all appreciate, and today he will be singing Ka Karu Sajni Aaye Na Balam. So friends, this is in Rag Sindh Bhairavi. भैरवी, as we all know, is a beautiful राग जिसमें सब स्वर लगते हैं, and because of the शुद्ध रे it is defined as राग सिंध भैरवी. Songs that are based in Hindustani classical ragas make the song all the more beautiful, and that is what our tradition is known for. Hindustani classical music is rich in legacy with great singers and legends who have made it immortal. So over to Advocate Vishwas Kashyap and friends enjoy. Thank you.
का करूं सजनी आयन बालम, का करूं सजनी आयन बालम। खोज रही है पिया परदेसी अखियां, खोज रही है पिया परदेसी अखियां आयन बालम। का करूं सजनी आयन बालम। जब भी कोई आहट होए मनवा मोरा भागे, देखो कहीं टूटे नहीं प्रेम के ये धागे। है मतवारी प्रीत हमारी छुपे ना छुपाए, छुपे ना छुपाए। सावन हो तुम, मैं हूँ तोरी बदरिया आयन बालम। का करूं सजनी आयन बालम। सांझ ढली रे समय ने ली अंजड़ा, ये जग सारा नींद से हारा, मोहे नींद ना आई। ओ मैं घबराऊं डर डर जाऊं, आए वो ना आए, आए वो ना आए। राधा बुलाए कहाँ खोए हो कन्हैया आयन बालम। का करूं सजनी आयन बालम।